Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S580 is the perfect blend of luxury, innovation, and performance, redefining what it means to drive a full-size luxury sedan. Mercedes-Benz has always been a benchmark in the premium automotive segment, but with the 2025 S580, they've raised the bar even higher. Every curve, every detail, and every feature of this car has been designed to deliver an unmatched driving experience. From its commanding presence on the road to its whisper-quiet cabin, the S580 ensures that every moment behind the wheel feels like a first-class journey. The exterior of the 2025 S580 showcases a refined and sophisticated design language that remains unmistakably Mercedes-Benz. Its sleek silhouette is highlighted by flowing lines, a bold front grille adorned with the iconic three-pointed star, and futuristic LED digital light headlights that provide not just illumination but intelligent visibility on any road condition. The chrome accents, flush door handles, and a range of premium alloy wheel options add to the sedan's stately presence, making it equally suitable for chauffeured rides or enthusiastic driving. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that defines modern luxury. The cabin is a showcase of top-tier materials including Nappa leather, natural wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting with 64 color options to set the mood. The highlight is the massive OLED central touchscreen seamlessly integrated with Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system, offering crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Voice commands work flawlessly, and the augmented reality navigation ensures that you're always on the right path. The 4D Burmester surround sound system transforms your playlist into a live concert, enveloping every occupant in rich, immersive audio. Passenger comfort is paramount in the S580. Both front and rear seats offer heating, cooling, and massage functions, ensuring absolute relaxation on every journey. Rear passengers are treated to executive-class seating with extended legroom, fold-out tables, and optional entertainment screens. The air quality control system with cabin fragrance diffuser further elevates the sense of well-being, making the S580 not just a car but a sanctuary on wheels. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S580 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This setup produces an impressive 496 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, delivering smooth, effortless acceleration. The EQ Boost feature provides an additional burst of power when needed, making overtaking on highways a breeze. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes' renowned 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, the S580 glides over the road with supreme confidence and composure. Ride quality is where the S580 truly shines. The E-Active body control system uses cameras to read the road ahead and adjust the suspension in real time, ensuring that bumps and imperfections are barely noticeable. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on open highways, the S580 isolates its occupants from the outside world with astonishing refinement. Rear-wheel steering makes maneuvering this large sedan surprisingly agile, especially in tight spaces or parking situations. When it comes to technology and safety, the 2025 S580 leads the way with an arsenal of advanced features. From adaptive cruise control and active lane keeping to the revolutionary Drive Pilot semi-autonomous driving system, Mercedes is pushing the boundaries of automated driving. The head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, reducing distraction and keeping your focus on the road ahead. It's not just about luxury, it's about intelligent luxury that actively works to make your driving experience safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S580 is not just a luxury car, it's a statement. It's about elevating every drive into an event, blending elegance with cutting-edge innovation. For those who demand nothing but the absolute best, the S580 is the ultimate choice, representing the pinnacle of modern automotive craftsmanship and engineering. We'll see you next video.